Hello guys and welcome here. So in this video we are going to talk about the EDATE function inside of Microsoft Excel. So this function is pretty simple and will simply return the serial number that is associated with the number of months before or after this date right here. So this function contains two arguments. The first one is the start date and the second one is months. So how it works is pretty simple. Let's say my month is 5 and my start date is 1st January 2025. What it will do, it will simply add 5 months to my start date. So here if it's 20, it will simply add 20 months. Here if it's minus 20, it will simply take away 20 months. If here it's 300, it will simply add 300 months. So if we try this function, it's pretty simple. We'll start with an equal sign and then we can write EDATE. When it's done, we can open up our parentheses and we have our start date right here. Then after that, we can select month. Our month right here is 5. So just like that, we are going to have a serial number that is associated with the date that has been returned. So in order to convert the serial number into a date, it's pretty simple. We can go here and simply select long date. Here we go. And just like that, we know that this month will be the 1st June 2025. So the answer will be the 1st June 2025. If we do the same thing right here, so we'll just write EDATE. And we'll select our start date right here. I'll just add some $signs so it will be easier to copy and paste it. And for the month, it's 20. It's going to give this serial number right here. So if I convert it once again into a date, here we go. I will know that this is the 1st September 2026. So if I do the same thing for those arguments right here, for minus 20 months, it's going to be the 1st May 2023. And for plus 300 months, it's going to be the 1st June 2050. So this is how we use the EDATE function inside of Microsoft Excel. So as always, if you like this video, don't forget to leave a like, to subscribe. And if you want to learn more about my Excel courses, you can check out the link down below. So see you in another of my videos.